So we just finished doing a mini detail package on this car here, and we cleaned in the inner rim, of course, all around in there, inside there, nice and clean. Got all of the brake dust out of that. Do special cleaning on the rim, wash the tires, dress them. Special cleaning on the wheel wells. Get all the mud out of there. Dried up dirt, should I say. It keeps the car, if you take care of the inner rim every now and then, it keeps the car from getting dirty so fast. And went ahead and put a protectant on all of the plastic and all of the exterior rubber.